We have Sudeep Shah, who's joining us now on the show to talk more about market. As we progress into the expiry, what kind of rollovers are you actually starting to see, Sudeep? Do you see this short covering getting more accelerated, or people are still holding on to their short position being rolled on the other side?
Good afternoon, Ajayji, and good afternoon to all the viewers. See, what is clearly coming out from the rollover data is that the Nifty and Bank Nifty rolls are on expected lines when it is expiry minus 2 days. But there is some serious rollovers happening in the mid caps. So, and that is where the real game is right now. In the last 3 weeks, we have seen indices trading in this 250, 300 point range. If we talk about Nifty and if we talk about Bank Nifty, it's about 800 to 1000 point range. But within this, what we are seeing is stocks from the chemical space, stocks from the capital goods, metals, NBFCs, cement, select banks, autos, all these sectors we are seeing mid cap as well as even few large cap names showing good open interest built up on the long side. So I feel even in the coming expiry, even in the fresh series, there could be some kind of a positive sentiment getting spilled over. And we may be in a process of forming a base around this 19250, 19400 mark, and could steadily head higher up to 19650, 19700 by next 2 to 3 sessions. And if we see volatility index now, if the markets are going to be weak, then VIX will steadily keep on rising. But in this case, we are seeing volatility index dipping. And today also, despite Nifty, Bank Nifty being in a range, Bank Nifty facing selling pressure or profit booking from higher levels post opening gap up, volatility index is still dipping. So I feel it's in the second half for today. If we just talk about today and moves for today and tomorrow, then 19380, 19400 zone on Nifty will act as an important support. Until this holds, we could see a rally in the second half, maybe probably closer to 19500 and 19520, because a lot of put writing is already happening in 19400 strikes and call writing is visible in 19500 strikes on the upside.
So strap your belts for the rally in the second half. That's the word coming in from Sudeep, and the levels of 19,500 shouldn't be far behind. But Sudeep, let's get stock specific. Talk to us about your top recommendations.
Anisha, my top recommendations right now, the first of them would be Axis Bank. Now, we've seen Axis Bank hit a fresh 52-week high. It's now trading above all its important resistances that it has created since June 2023. Now, 990, 995 zone has been acting as a stiff resistance. Right now, it's trading at the higher end of the range. Last 2 days, we have seen some serious put writing happening in 980 strikes for the next month also, and call unwinding at higher levels. So I feel within the Bank Nifty, this is one of the strongest stock currently. And till 975 zone holds, I feel upside up to 1030, 1040 levels can be witnessed on this. The second stock that I have is Tata Steel. Now, we have seen that due to the US data which has been announced yesterday, which was weak for the dollar index, that has led to strength in the metal stocks today here. So, Tata Steel facing resistance around 118, 119 since last 15-20 sessions, today has witnessed a gap up opening and is sustaining at higher levels. So here we feel that looking at the daily and weekly charts, a stop loss of 119 would be good enough for this, a probable up to 128, 130. So we feel Tata Steel can be bought at current levels with 119 stop loss.
All right, Sudeep, thanks very much for joining us on the show today. So that was the take on market.